Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to our channel Learn Tech with Kiran. Today's topic DFA. While we designing a DFA, you have to focus on first design DFA diagram, then construct a transition for table from given or design DFA diagram, then give one verification string which is transition for any one of given grammar for validation. Now move forward with problem statement. Design DFA for following language over input symbol 0 and 1, that is set of string that ends with 0 0. Now we design DFA diagram. Q0, which is initial state. As we know, the problem statement given end with 0 0, so you have to accept ending two zeros. With 1 0 you move to the Q1 state. With another 0 consecutive 0 you reach to the Q2. Now your string is accepted, so Q2 is your final state. For this you also have to design grammar. Grammar is denoted by L. So for 0 0 your DFA is okay. Now another string you consider 1 0 0, which is also ended by 0 0, right? So you have to design DFA for or redefine your DFA for 1 0 0 string also. So you accept 1 with self loop, so ended with 0 0 is accepted by this DFA. Now another language 0 0 1 0 0. Now accept 0 0 1 is reached. Now you have to move to the Q0, because once 1 is there you have to check again for 0 0 consecutive, right? Because this 1 divide your string from 0 and 0, right? So 1 is go to the Q0 and again you check 0 0 and reach to the final state. One more string design like 0 1 0 0. Now your 0 is accepted, move to the Q1. If 1 is on tape, now you have to reset your state machine again to the Q0, because your DFA supposed to accept the string ending with 0 0. Your DFA definition says for each state there is unique or single transition for every input symbol. So check for that. On Q0 1 transition is there and 0 transition is also there. On Q1 1 transition and 0 transition is there, but for Q2 there is only 1 transition, which is 1. Now you have to imply or you have to done your 0 transition. Like if 0 0 0 string is there, it is also accepted by your DFA. So cross verify your any of the string for validation. Before this you have to design a transition table from above given diagram. So let's draw the transition table. Here you writing your states and here you are given input symbol, right? 0 and 1. Q0 state, Q1 state and Q2 state. Now design your transition table. Q0 with 0 Q1, Q0 with 1 Q0, Q1 with input symbol 0 Q2, Q1 with input symbol 1 again Q0, Q2 with input symbol 0 Q2 and Q2 with input symbol 1, that is Q0. This is your transition table for above given transition diagram. Now one verification is there for string or for grammar 1 0 0. So your verification is with initial state and given string. Okay, so q0 with 1 and 0 0 with transition. q0 with 1 move to the q0, right, and remaining string. Now again this transition is there, q0 with 0 comma 0, and again transition implies over here. So q0 with 0, q0 with 0, q0 with 0 is go to the q1 comma 0. Transition diagram, transition is there, transition of q1 with 0, transition of q1 with 0 reaches to the q2, and q2 is your final state. If you can see in this diagram or in this transition table, q2 is your final state. So with this is our problem solution for given problem statement. So I am adding here one more grammar verification string, which is 00100, and following is the your verification transition, which is reached to the q2 state. That means it is accepted by our design DFA. Okay, that's it for today's video. In next video we will continue with more example of DAP. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel and stay updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.